All right, y'all, here we go. We got that Hillcrest 20+2, 22-foot long, heavy-duty, 14,000-pound rated equipment hauler. Got the adjustable coupler on the front, heavy-duty drop leg jack. This is a good beefy trailer. Stake pockets down both sides, matching spare tire, radials, 8-lug. This is a good heavy-duty trailer. Also removable fenders. Just 2 nuts on front and back, and you can pop them fenders off. Got your stand-up ramps with the kickers. All LED lighting. D-rings on all 4 corners in addition to your stake pockets. No matter what it is you want to haul, whether it's a tractor, skid steer, mini X, we got you covered, folks. Just come on down here to Ranchland Tractor and ATV. You can give us a call or text us at 228-832-8300. Check us out on the web, see all of our inventory at ranchlandtractor.com. But if you want to see it for yourself, just come on by, we'll be here.